Welcome dear students. This is your second video of chapter acid and base. In this chapter we will study different type of base, physical properties of base, chemical properties of base and its uses. So let's start. First is water bases. So as according to Arrhenius theory, bases as a substance which dissociate in water and give us hydroxide ion, OH negative ion are known as base. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Where NaOH dissociate, it dissociate into Na positive ion and OH negative ion. Second is potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. Third example is calcium hydroxide. So all these three examples shows us that bases have a positive tendency to lose OH negative ion. Then we have what are the difference between a base and an alkali. So if we talk about the base, then base undergoes neutralization reaction with acid. Bases एसिड के साथ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन शो करते हैं जिसमें वो सॉल्ट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं विद वाटर. बट इन अल्काली, एन अल्काली इज एन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए बेस, मेनली मेटालिक हाइड्रोक्साइड. सेकेंड पॉइंट, bases are comprised of metal oxides, metal hydroxide, metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate, whereas an alkali it dissolve in water and dissociate to give hydroxide ion. Third is bases, most of them are insoluble in water. Bases are insoluble in water, but an alkali are bases, but not all bases are alkali. So this is the difference between base and alkali. Now we have bases are of two types. One is strong base, second is weak base. Strong base means the base which dissociate completely to give high concentration of hydroxide ion in an aqueous solution are called strong base. Example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide dissociate completely and give high concentration of OH negative ion are known as strong base, whereas in weak base, the base which dissociate partially, जो बहुत कम dissociate होते हैं, partially dissociate होते हैं to give less concentration of hydroxide ion in an aqueous medium is called weak base. Example, magnesium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So if we talk about the strong base and weak base, then in common we understand that strong base give us high concentration of OH negative ion and weak bases give us less concentration of hydroxide ion in an aqueous medium. Next is what do all bases have in common? सभी bases में क्या चीज़ common है? Answer is hydroxide ion, OH negative ion. For example, if we talk about the sodium hydroxide NaOH, then it has Na positive, OH negative ion. KH, potassium hydroxide, it also have K positive ion and OH negative ion. So you can see that all bases have OH negative hydroxide ion common. Then how can we differentiate whether a substance or a liquid is an acid or a base? So we have some tests. First is physical test. Given are two possible physical tests to identify a base. Number one, a taste. A base tastes bitter, but the method of taste is not advised as an acid or a base could be contaminated or corrosive. Number two, effect on indicators by bases. It means if we add base in different type of indicators, then how it will behave. First is litmus. A base turns a moist red litmus paper to blue. Second is methyl orange. In basic solution, if we add base in methyl orange, then the color will change into yellow. If we add base in phenolphthalein, then the color will change into pink. Then bases in water. When added to water, bases dissociate in their respective ions and helps in conduct electricity. A base which is soluble in water is known as alkali. For example, potassium hydroxide, it dissociates into K positive ion and OH negative ion. Second is sodium hydroxide, it dissociates into sodium ion and hydroxide ion, OH negative ion. Dilution of an alkali in water is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is a type of reaction in which heat is released. Then physical properties of bases. First is bases are bitter in taste. Base टेस्ट करने में कड़वे होते हैं. Bases are soapy in touch. Number 3, bases turns red litmus to blue. This is important. They are corrosive in nature. Bases show corrosivity. And last is they conduct electricity. Just because we have understand that NaOH dissociate in water and give us Na positive ion and OH negative ion, and ions are the mainly responsible for conduction of electricity, so that is why bases conduct electricity. Next is chemical properties of bases. First we have base reaction with metals. How does bases react with metal? So the main concept is this: when base react with metal, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. We have example of sodium hydroxide and zinc metal. Zinc is in the solid form, that is why we have written S. So when zinc react with sodium hydroxide, it gives us salt, that is Na2ZnO2, and hydrogen gas is released. Here it is observed that when a burning candle bring near a hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. So ये एक तरीके से हाइड्रोजन गैस के टेस्ट को भी यहाँ पर बताता है. या दूसरी बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर ये शो करता है कि इस रिएक्शन में हाइड्रोजन गैस ही लिबरेट होती है. सेकंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बेस react with acid and give us neutralization reaction. The main concept is this: base and acid react with each other and form a salt and water. Example, NaOH, which is a base, HCl, hydrogen chloride, which is an acid. They both react with each other, and here OH and H, NaOH plus HCl. Then what happen? Here the OH react with H and Na react with Cl, so NaCl and H2O form. Here students, NaCl is a salt, that is sodium chloride, it is a salt, and H2O is your water. Next is how bases react with non-metallic oxides. Oxides with non-metals such as carbon, or carbon dioxide is an example of non-metallic oxide. So concept is, when base react with non-metallic oxide, they give us salt and water. Example, we have calcium hydroxide react with non-metallic oxide, that is carbon dioxide. They both react with each other and form a salt, which is calcium carbonate, and water is in the liquid form. Now uses of bases. हम बेस को कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? They are used in the manufacturing of soap. They are used in paper industry. They are used in antacid. Next is in manufacturing of bleaching powder. So these are some areas where we use bases. Thank you so much.